What's up? We're using all these mushrooms. Oh my god, I bought a 10-pound box of mushrooms. These are not looking great, by the way. But then it's stuffed and cooked. We're making bacon and cream cheese. Bacon and cream cheese. And bourbon. And onion. Stuffed mushrooms. I cooked my bacon already. It's 2 pounds. Got the bacon fat there. I have the mushroom stems here. My onions. And my cream cheese. So I've already cooked the bacon. We're gonna cut this onion. Dice it finely. And don't make a mess. And don't do that at home. You gotta cut yourself. So yeah, we had this last year for Thanksgiving and it was awesome. So I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna try a repeat. I don't know if repeats are gonna work. So I don't really have a recipe. I'm just kind of following along what I remember doing. But yeah, it should be good.
Not on Twitter.
There we go. Somebody get me the cock.
Instagram and Facebook.
So we're gonna take this onion and here, and a real cool way easy way to dice really finely. Actually, let's get this pan back on some heat. Get on low. You can do this. Do it this way. You want little bits because the mushrooms aren't exactly really big. You know, this will kind of disappear. Sweet. So yeah, we're gonna get these in the pan, start cooking them. Let's go with this one. Hey guys, can I have my bourbon? The open bottle of bourbon on the table.
Just say what it is.
The Fighting Cock.
Fighting cock?
Need the cock.
Cock?
There's an open bottle of Fighting Cock on the table.
On what table? Oh.
With all the liquor. There's cock on the table, I need it. Alright, bam. Bam. And then...
I want to get a little fucking latte.
I don't want to get really dope. Thanks.
No, Morty.
Morty. Let's pile it in. So what you basically do is give me a spoon, get your onions in, using the bacon grease from the pan. Half these mushrooms. So I'm making 2 batches, but I'll just do 1 on camera. I'm gonna eyeball half the mushrooms. That's enough. Yeah, that's enough. Gonna cook that down.
Oh my god, she likes to run. Did you tell her I went running this morning?
Oh my god. Quiet, woman. Let's get all this going. Now, you don't really want to add salt to this because the bacon's gonna be salty and the whatchamacallit, the bacon grease you're cooking is gonna be salty. But you can add a little bit of. Sorry for the confusion. My battery kept dying, so hopefully we get this in real quick. So I added a little bit of salt. I just tasted it. Use a touch more salt actually, which is surprising. Oh, not too much. Again, once again, because you can add the bacon. And damn it, we're going to add now the bourbon. That's mushroom, onion, salt, pepper. Kill the heat. Okay, bourbon, maybe about, I don't know, we'll eyeball it. A lot of bourbon, 2 shots of bourbon. Should we light it? Should we light it? Let's light it, quick. I don't plan for this stuff. Quick, lighting. Okay, there we go. There it is. Did we get that on camera? Is that we're recording? We're flambeing. That's why I use the 101% alcohol content bourbon, because you get that effect. Fire's out. Is the fire out? No, fire's not out yet. Still burning. Awesome. Jay almost lets his house on fire. That was nice. Oh, the fire's still there. Now we're good. Yeah, we're good. Back to the heat. Cook that out. Cook it down. Ah. No, it smells like bourbon. That smells good. That was probably about 2 shots of bourbon, give or take. Gonna cook this about another minute or 2. Then we'll be adding 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese to that. We're gonna kill the heat. When we add the cream cheese, we'll kill the heat. There'll be plenty of heat in the pan to melt this out, and then add the bacon into it, mix it all together, and that's your stuffing for your mushrooms. I don't know how many mushrooms we're gonna get, but we'll just go. Oh, and then what you do is, if your stuffing is a little too moist, because of the fat in there, it might be, you crumble in some club crackers until you get like just to sop up some of the grease. Oh man, that smells like bourbon. Oh, you smell good. Put that there for a sec. Take our cream cheese out. Philadelphia only, please. None of this store brand BS. All right. All right, I think we're good. Gonna kill this heat. Gonna plop in some cream cheese. Just a little bit. And just get in there and mash it. It'll be annoying at first, but eventually it'll come together. Take it off the heat. A non-silicone spatula would be better, maybe like a wooden spoon, but I feel like dirtying another implement, so the hell with it. We're incorporating this. Man, this smells good. Yeah, the cream cheese melts right out. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Mmm. So good. Gotta add in our bacon, our nice crisp bacon, which has been patiently waiting here, sitting in oil. Great. Should have put more paper towel down. My bad. Mmm. Turn, 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 turn. Just fold and fold. All right, looking great. Smells ridiculous. We'll get Z in here to give his opinion, even though it doesn't matter. He sucks. His opinion is terrible about most things in life. All right, then. So it's a little greasy in there. I'm gonna take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, about 10 club crackers and crumble them into here to sop up some of the moisture. Just give it a. You could use like Ritz crackers too. Those work good. Any buttery cracker. Don't use breadcrumbs. Doesn't add any flavor, and they're like not cooked. So take these. And just turn them in. They're going to absorb up some of the fat and liquid and make this a little more, will come together a little better. Yes. Yep, this is pretty good. I think 10 more crackers ought to do it. We have little packages. Not so annoying. It keeps them fresh, actually. Actually, let's do 11 because we only did 9 before. So 5, 9, 10, and 11. So 20 club crackers. You don't want to put too many because then it's, you don't want like a bready stuffing. You want all the goods. Alright, bam, bam. Yeah, this looks like a good consistency. This is totally by eye and basically goes by what you prefer. So there's no wrong amount for this stuff. Alright. Just gonna get a clean spoon. Try some. Get in there. Got the bacon. A lot of bacon. A lot of bourbon. Oh yeah. It's a lot of bacon. That's cool. It's gonna be good. So now we take that. Basically, take your mushroom cap, take your spoon, and do that. I don't know how many you're gonna get, but there. Put them in your pan, and you bake those. Okay, one down, about 85 more to go. I'll be back when we have them cooked. See you in a bit. Alright, so dinner's way over, and I don't know if I filmed the ending of these. So this is what they look like when they're done. He's a little baby.
Squeeze one, cut one, break it up.
Oh,
destroy the insides. I would have done it by hand.
Because you suck. I say you do it,
I
folks.
still think sausage the old way was better.
So good.
Sausage and Parmesan.
Check out D-Cooks from Shorty. Check out the Patreon. Check out everything. If you like, subscribe. Comment on stuff, whether you like it. If you think sausage is better. I just want something different.
Fine, we'll try this.
There you go. See you next time. Bye-bye.